Why documentation matters.
The clear documentation makes your code easier for others to use, understand, and maintain. Well-documented functions and classes help teammates, future maintainers, and even your future self quickly grasp what your code does and how to use it. Good documentation can prevent confusion, reduce support questions, and lead to more efficient, high-quality software development.
Describing functions. Key elements.
When documenting a function, always include a concise summary of what it does. List and explain each parameter, specifying their types and expected values. Clearly describe what the function returns. If there are side effects or exceptions thrown, note those too. Aim to answer, what does this function accomplish? What does it need? What does it give back?
Documenting classes effectively.
The class documentation should explain the class's purpose and how it fits into the overall code base. List the main attributes and their roles. Describe the public methods and what they do. Include usage examples if possible. This helps users quickly understand how to create and use objects of the class, ensuring your code is accessible and reusable.
Tips for maximum clarity.
Use simple, direct language and avoid jargon unless necessary. Organize information in a consistent order. Start with a summary, then details about arguments, returns, and exceptions. Formatting matters. Use line breaks or bullet points for readability. Think about what questions a new user would have and address them directly in your documentation.
Adopting documentation standards.
Consider following an established style like docstrings in Python or JavaDoc in Java. These formats provide a clear template and are often supported by documentation tools. Using standard formats ensures your documentation is consistent and can be automatically used to generate help pages, making your code even more user-friendly.